studying the human body should recognize that in this spinal column was a very vital and important element of man's corporeal nature. But in mysterious way, this spinal column was a kind of magic wand, a rod, a staff, upon which the body was required or naturally inclined to lean. It was also that by means of which man's upright posture was assured. And it was interesting to recognize that this tall column of bones should support upon its upper end the mystery of the skull, that part of man which seemed to be like a heavenly globe standing upon the height of a column in a strange wilderness of physical tissue and structure.